ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय कान्वशाक्य बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 462 फर्स्ट लाइन इन भाष्य। ननु च यथा जागरिते जाग्रत काल अव्यभिचारिणो लोका एवं स्वप्ने अपि ते अस्य महाराजत्वादयो लोकाः स्वप्न काल भाविनः स्वप्न काल अव्यभिचारिण आत्मभूता एव न तो अविद्या अध्यारोपिता इति। आपको मिला ये फॉर्म? पूर्व पक्ष इज आस्किंग ए क्वेश्चन। यथा जागरिते जाग्रत काल अव्यभिचारिणो लोकाः, जस्ट एज इन जागृत अवस्था लोकाः मीन्स कर्मफल, लोक मीन्स कर्मफल, कर्मफलानि लोकाः। जाग्रत काल अव्यभिचारिणः, as long as जाग्रत काल is there they are there। तो स्वप्ने अपि ते अस्य महाराजत्वादयो लोकाः स्वप्न काल भाविनः, लेकिन मांडुक्य दिस काइंड ऑफ विचार इज देयर। You are saying swapna padarthas are not available in Jagrat, therefore they are mithya. Jagrat padarthas, they are available in entire Jagrat Kala. Like that, swapna padarthas are available in Swapna Kala. Swapna Kala bhavinaha. Swapna Kala avyabhicarinaha. Two Visheshanas are given. They are there in Swapna Kala, they are not vyabhicharita in Swapna Kala. Atma-bhuta eva natu avidya adhyaropita iti. So they actually belong to Atma. Means they are vastavik. They are not avidya adhyaropita. In this way, Purvapakshi is saying. Tika. Sadhya vaikalyam vaktum. Second line. Sadhya vaikalyam vaktum siddhanti pani peshana vakyoktam smarayati. Sadhya vaikalya. Sadhya vaikalya means?
In Drishtanta, Sadhya is not there.
In Drishtanta, Sadhya should be there. Hetu is there or not? Is it okay in Drishtanta?
Hetu
also should be there.
Hetu also should be there. If Hetu is not there in Drishtanta, what is the dosha?
Sadhana
Vaikalya. And if Sadhya is not there, Sadhya Vaikalya. Sadhya Vaikalyam Vaktum, Siddhanti is saying now. Pani Peshana Vakyoktam Smarayati. Pani Peshana means with the help of the hands, how the sleeping person was awakened. Pani Peshana Vakyoktam Smarayati. Nanu cha Jagrat कार्य करणात्मत्वम देवतात्मत्वम च अविद्या अध्यारोपितम न परमार्थता इति व्यतिरिक्त विज्ञानमयात्म प्रदर्शनेन प्रदर्शितम. Even though it starts with Nanu, it is Siddhanti. टिप्पणी यू सी सेकंड नंबर, अत्र ननु शब्दः प्रत्युक्तौ आक्षेपे वा बोध्यः. दिस ननु इज either answering or akshep, objection to objection. जागृत कार्य करणात्मत्वम देवतात्मत्वम च. In Jagrat, whatever is there in the form of karya karana, sanghata, etc. And devata, devatatmatvam means whatever devata rupatvam is there. All of this is avidya adhyaropitam. Na paramarthataha, it is not vastavika. Means from paramarthik standpoint, even what is there in Jagrat is mithya. Iti व्यतिरिक्त विज्ञानमय आत्म प्रदर्शनेन प्रदर्शितम्. व्यतिरिक्त विज्ञानमय आत्म प्रदर्शनेन, विज्ञानमय व्यतिरिक्त आत्म प्रदर्शनेन. In this way you should understand. Atma, which is different from Vijnanamaya. Vijnanamaya, because in Vijnanamaya, all this Karya Karanatmatvam, everything is there. In Atma, none of this is there. Pradarsanena pradarsitam. Tika. Jagrat lokasya mithyatve. Chetanavan. Atma is Chaitanya. One is Chetanavan, another is Chaitanya. Jiva with Chidabhasa. Atma does not have Karya Karanatmatvam, Devatatma. Both of them are avidya adhyaropita. Atma is separated from Vijnanamaya. So up till now, first he does separation of Vijnanamaya from everything else. Jada, Deha, Prana, Indriya, etc. Then this Vijnanamaya, in Sushupti, he goes to Atma. Right? So at that time, this Vijnanamaya loses all samsaritva. So the swabhava of Vijnanamaya essentially is Chaitanya, asamsari. It is, and therefore you will have to say all of this, whatever is appearing in Vijnanamaya, you can say, we can say the way you are putting. व्यतिरिक्त विज्ञानमय आत्मा, विज्ञानमयश्च असौ आत्मा इति विज्ञानमय आत्मा तस्य प्रदर्शनेन प्रदर्शितम्. So in Vijnanamaya, where Jagrat, Swapna, Shushupti are appearing, or any other Karya Karanatmatvam, Devatatmatvam, means that Jiva is Devata right now. All of that is avidya adhyaropitam, na paramarthata. Tika. Is it clear? No. No. See, in either you say Vijnanamayat Vyatirikta Atma Pradarshanena. In that Atma, all of this is not there. Or you say Vijnanamaya is Atma. In that Vijnanamaya Atma, if you see his Devata or some other Manushya, Pashu, Ityadi, all of that is Avidya Adhyaropitam, because in Sushupti all of that is left. So Vijnanamaya is Vyatirikta. Vijnanamaya is Vyatirikta from Deha, Indriya, Prana, all of that. Jada, Prapancha. जागृत लोकस्य मिथ्यात्वे फलितम आह. If Jagrat Loka means all the karma phala in Jagrat, if they are mithya, then what is the phalam? Tat katham drashtantatvena swapna lokasya mrita iva ujjivishyan pradur bhavishyati. Then tat katham drashtantatvena swapna lokasya, if a person who is in Jagrat, he goes to Swapna. Swapna prapancha he experiences, and then when he comes back, whatever was there in Jagrat, everything is available again. So that is what he says. Swapna loka is drishtanta. Drishtantatvena swapna lokasya. Mrita iva ujjivishyan. As if he was dead, and when he wakes up, then pradur bhavishyati. How everything was available earlier, everything expresses again. So Purva Paksha, he will say Satyam. See, Tika, Pradurbhave Jagrat Lokasya Kartritvam Prakaranikam Eshtavyam. Pradurbhava means appearance. Appearance of Jagrat Loka means what was there in Jagrat Avastha earlier, same is coming back again when he is woken up. Jagrat Lokasya Kartrutvam Prakaranikam Eshtavyam. This is the Prakarana. Prakaranikam. Tippanikar says Anumana Prasangat Agata. Prakaranikam means we should understand this. Bodha he wants to give in Jagrat. So Jagrat Avastha is going to become Prakaranika. ज्ञान कराना है जागृत में. तत्र पूर्ववादी दृष्टांतम साधयति. पूर्ववादी पूर्व पक्ष, he is giving दृष्टांत now in bhashya. Satyam, पूर्व पक्षी says yes, Satyam. What Satyam? विज्ञानमये व्यतिरिक्ते कार्य करण देवतात्म दर्शनम अविद्या अध्यारोपितम. This he accepts. Vijnanamaya, which is Vyatirikta from all Deha, Indriya, Prana, etc. In that, whatever Karya Karanatmaka or Devatatma, Darshana, etc., all of that is Avidya Adhyaropita. Just like, means it is Pratibhasika Samana. Like Shuktikayam Iva Rajatatva Darshanam. In Shuktika, how Rajata Darshana is Pratibhasikam, like that. Iti etat siddhyati. Iti Vyatirikta Atma Astitva Pradarshana Nyayana Eva. By showing the Vyatirikta Atma Astitva Pradarshana Nyayana Eva, Natu Tad Vishuddhi Parataya Eva Nyaya Uktaha. So, this is not up till now what was discussed, is to show Atma's existence different from everything else. This kind of Anvaya Vyatireka was shown. Vyatirikta Atma. But not, this idea was not shown that Atma is Nitya Shuddha. Means this is two-step process. This we do in all Vedanta Prakriya. If you take Drishtanta of any Grantha, for example, Drik Drishya Vivek. In Drik Drishya Vivek, what will be the first Viveka? Separate Drashta from Drishya. When you are doing this Prakriya, Drashta is Satya, Drishya is also Satya. So there is a fear that every now and then Drashta will get affected by Drishya. I have done separation, again something has happened. Again you separate. Then second phase of the teaching is Drishya is Mithya. Therefore Atma is Atyanta Vishuddha. So this is what he says. Vyatirikta Atma Astitva Pradarshana Nyayena Eva. How it was explained so far? Vyatirikta Atma Astitva Pradarshana. This was done. Natu Tad Vishuddhi Parataya. That Atma is Vishuddha, Atma is untouched by all these Deha Prana. That is not explained yet. Tika. What is this Nyaya? Anvaya Vyatirekakyo Nyaya. In the form of Anvaya Vyatireka. Dehadvayasya Atmanascha Vivekamatram Prag Uktam. What is said earlier? Only Viveka. Like Drigdrishya Viveka. Viveka between what and what? Atma and Dehadvaya. Sthula Sharira means Deha, Sukshma Sharira means Indriya, Prana, Mana, etc. All of them are different from Atma. Vivekamatram Praguktam. Natu Pradhanyena Atmanah Shuddhihi Ukta. But Pradhanyena means Tad Shuddhi Uddeshyena. To show that Atma is Nitya Shuddha Buddha Mukta. That has not been taught yet to Gargya. Ukta iti vibhagam angikritya vastutah asantamapi drashtantam santam kritva tena swapna satyatvam ashankya tan nirasena atyantiki shuddhihi atmanah swapna vakyena uchyate तथा च जाग्रतोपि तथा मिथ्यात्वाद आत्मैकरसः शुद्धः स्यात् इति आशवान् आह. वस्तुतः असन्तमपि दृष्टान्तं सन्तं कृत्वा this drishtanta you have to take as Shuktikayam iva Rajatatva Darshanam. Tena swapna satyatvam ashankya tan nirasena. Swapna Satyatva, if somebody has this idea that earlier he said that why can't Swapne api te asya maharajattvadayo lokaha swapnakala bhavinah swapnakala avyavicharinah atma bhuta natu avidya adhyaropita. Why can't whatever is happening in Swapna be Satyam? So here this drishtanta is given. Shuktikayam Rajatatva Darshanam. So Swapna Prapancho Mithya Badhitatvat Shukti Rajatatvavat. Shukti Rajata is Mithya because it is Badhita. Like that, Swapna Prapancha is also Badhita. Therefore, it is Mithya. First you do that Siddhi. Then when that Siddhi is done, then you say Jagrat Prapancho Mithya Drishyatvat. Swapna Prapancha. इति व्यतिरिक्त आत्म अस्तित्व प्रदर्शन न्यायन वहाँ टीका वस्तुतो असंतम अपि दृष्टांतम संतम कृत्वा तेन स्वप्न सत्यत्वम आशंक्य somebody may have this आशंका of स्वप्न सत्यत्व तन निरासेन you do निराश of that आत्यंतिकी शुद्धि ही आत्मनः स्वप्न वाक्येन उच्यते by स्वप्न वाक्य आत्यंतिकी विशुद्धि स्वप्न वाक्य इज व्हाट सी 10 नंबर टिप्पणी स्वप्न सत्यत्व चोद्य निरस्ते सती च स्वप्न सत्यत्व चोद्य मीन्स आशंका इज देयर स्वप्न इज सत्य then it's nirastam that shanka is removed and it is said no nothing has happened in swapna like how it was given in the mantra he is maharaja mahabrahmana or उच्चावच देवता शरीर और तिर्यगादि शरीर but still nothing happens, right? This is how it is given in mantra. So all this is eva in mantra. This is how it is given. So like that here also आत्यंतिकी शुद्धि ही आत्मनः स्वप्न वाक्येन उच्यते then तथा च in the same way जाग्रतो अपि तथा मिथ्यात्वात् जाग्रत is also तथावत मिथ्या just like स्वप्न is मिथ्या जाग्रत is also मिथ्या once जाग्रत is मिथ्या then आत्मा एकरसः शुद्धः स्यात् then आत्मा is ekarasa. What was there in Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti, nothing has changed. Ekarasa. Iti ashayvan aha. In Bhashya, iti asannapi drishtanto Jagrat karya karana devatatmatva darshana lakshanaha punarudbhavyate. Asannapi drishtantah drishtanta in the form of here Jagrat karya karana devatatmatva darshana lakshana that whatever is there in Jagrat all of that is mithya. Whatever karya karana devatatmatva darshana all of that is mithya. So Drishtanta here is taken as that Jnanam. That is how it is given in Hindi Tika. Jagrat Karya Karana Devata Rupa Jnanam. Tika. पाणी पेश वाक्ये जागरण मिथ्यत्व उक्त्या अर्थात उक्ता शुद्धि ही अपि अत्रापि सा एव उच्यते चेत पुनरुक्ति ही इति आशंका. This is next portion. But first what we should understand is that whatever anubhava is happening in Jagrat because of Karya Karana Devatatma etc. all of that is as much badhita as in Swapna. If you take it this way, Purvapakshi says, what is experience in Jagrat? Within Jagrat, it is avyabhichari and it is karma phala. Same is true for Swapna. There also it is avyabhichari in Swapna kala and it is also karma phala. Therefore, why you say it is avidya adhyaropita? So, actually in the mantra it was given because it is badhita, it is eva, that is how it is given in the mantra. Therefore, all of that gets negated. And now, using that as दृष्टांत, this कार्यकरण देवतात्म दर्शनम is like Shuktikayam Rajatattva Darshanam Eva. So now Purvapaksha says, when this Pani Pesha Vakya was done, that mantra by which it is said he is woken up, etc. Jagran Mithyatva Ukti is already done. Uktya Arthad Ukta Shuddhihi. Jagrat is Mithya, therefore Atma is Shuddha. This is said through Arthapatti, Arthat. So, if Jagrat was not Mithya, Atma would not have been Shuddha. Like if Devadatta, if he was not eating at night, he would not have been fat. But he is fat. So like that here also, Atma has to be Shuddha because Jagrat is Mithya. Jagrat Mithya was already said. So, Arthat Atmanaha Shuddhihi api Ukta. And here also you are saying the same thing. Atrapi Saiva Uchyate Chet. So there is Punarukti. So, Siddhanti says, Sarvo hi Nyayah Kinchid Vishesham Apekshamano Apunarukti Bhavati. In all, Nyaya means in all Pratipadanam, some Vishesha is given. Kinchid Vishesham Apekshamana. Therefore, there is no Punarukti. How? See in Tika, it is explained more. Yat Kinchit Samanyat Paunarukyam Sarvatra Tulyam. Yat Kinchit Samanya you will get everywhere. Some Samanya will be there. It's like someone said, there is so much similarity between you and me. Why? You are also walking on two legs. I am also walking on two legs. Yes, we are very similar. So, such kind of Samanya you can get anywhere. Yes. Yat kinchit Samanya Paunarukyam Sarvatra Tulyam. Or somebody says, see, you also get sick in winter. I also get sick in winter, half of Rishikesh is sick. That is not Samanya. Avantar Bhedat Apaunarukyam. Prakriti api samam purvatra shuddhi dwarasya arthikatvat iha vachanikatvat iti bhavaha. Avantar Bheda is there and Avantar Bhedat Apaunarukyam. There is no Punarukti dosha. Same is true in this Prakriti api. Prakriti api samam. Purvatra shuddhi dwarasya arthikatvat. Earlier, how Shuddhi was shown? Through Arthapatti only. Now, Vachanikatvat. It is spelled out. Iti bhavaha. जाग्रत दृष्टांतेन स्वप्न सत्यत्व चोद्य संभवात् वाच्यः तस्य समाधिः इति पूर्ववादी मुखेन उक्त्वा समाधिम अधुना कथयति. पूर्वपक्षी जाग्रत दृष्टांतेन स्वप्न सत्यत्व चोद्य संभवात्. You are saying जाग्रत मिथ्या Drishyatvat or whatever hetu you give, and you say Swapnavat. It says Swapna Satyam Drishyatvat Jagratvat. Jagrat is Satya. You use that as Drishtanta and you put it in Swapna. So tasya samadhi means samadhanam. You have to give samadhanam for that. Iti purvavadi mukhena uktva. According to Purvavadi, this objection could be there. So samadhim aduna kathayati. Samadhanam is given. न तावत् स्वप्ने अनुभूत महाराजत्वादयो लोका आत्मभूताः. स्वप्ने अनुभूत महाराजत्व, whatever is experienced in swapna, महाराजत्वादयो लोका न आत्मभूताः. They are not atmabhuta, means they are not vastavik. That in swapna, if I think I am Maharaja, Mahabrahmana, Devata, they are not Atmabhuta. Why? Atmano anyasya jagrat pratibimba bhutasya lokasya darshanat. Atmanah means swapna drashtuhu. Whatever swapna drashta saw himself in swapna, different from that, Jagrat pratibimba bhutasya lokasya darshana. Jagrat is seen, which is pratibimba, Tippanikar says, samskara rupa. Sometimes you may have question, how Tippanikar knows, all these shabdas. Second number Tippani, you see, Atmanah means swapna drashtuhu. Third number Tippani, Jagrat pratibimba bhuta, he says, sanskara rupasya. How Tippanikar knows all this? So, main source will be Vartika on this. If you see Brihad Vartika, some of these words will be clarified there. So, Bade Maharaj Ji, he has actually gone through all the Vartika. And we learned this when I was doing proofreading of all this Grantha. I mean, volume 1 I have not done. But you have to see everything, so then you learn. Second thing is, sometimes the same sentence is used elsewhere, like earlier or later in Bhashya or Tika. From that, Tippanikar puts those words connections. Tika. So in Bhashya it was said, Atmano anyasya jagrat pratibimba bhutasya lokasya darshana. So jagrat sanskar rupa loka is seen, different from swapna drashta's loka, and therefore swapna is mithya. In Tika, anumanam is done. Vimata na drashtur atmano dharma va tad drishyatvat घटादिवत इत्यर्थः. विमताः means these lokaha, karyakarana, devatatma darshana lakshanaha, all of them. Na drashtuhu dharmaha, na atmano dharmava. Neither they are the dharma of the drashta. Drashta here means swapna drashta. And neither they are the dharma of Atma. Na drashtur atmano dharmava. Why? Tad drishyatvat. They are the drishya of that, either swapna drashta or jagrat drashta, whatever. Like ghata, ghatadivat. So therefore, drishyatva is the hetu. Whatever is drishyam is not me. Ghata drashta, ghatad bhinnaha. Pata drashta, patad bhinnaha. So devata drashta, devata yaha bhinna. If I see myself as devata and I can experience, then I am different from that. Kincha. स्वप्नदृष्टानां जाग्रत दृष्टा दृष्टात् अर्थान्तरत्वेन दृष्टेर्मिथ्यात्वम् इत्याह। स्वप्नदृष्टानां जाग्रत दृष्टात् अर्थान्तरत्वेन, whatever is seen swapnadrishtanam, whatever is experienced in swapna, jagrat drishtat arthantarattvena, they are different from what is experienced in jagrat, or what is experienced in swapna is not available in jagrat. Arthantarattvena drishtehe mithyatvam. Therefore, swapna, see, drishtehe means swapna jnanasya. Swapna jnanam is mithya, then swapna padartha will be how? If swapna jnanam is mithya, how do you say swapna padartha is mithya? So there is jnanadhyasa and arthadhyasa. Rajju sarpa jnanam is mithya. If you say Rajju sarpa jnanam is mithya, how do you prove Rajju sarpa jnanam is mithya? Because that jnanam gets badhita. So it was Brahma. Ayathartha jnanam gets negated by Prama. So if jnanam gets negated, jnanasya vishaya also gets negated. दृष्टेः मिथ्यात्वम् इत्याह महाराज इति। महाराज एव तावत् व्यस्त सुप्तासु प्रकृतिषु पर्यंके शयानः स्वप्नान् पश्यन् उपसंहृतकरणः पुनरुपगत प्रकृतिं महाराजम् इव आत्मानं जागरित इव पश्यति यत्र आगतम भुंजानम इव च भोगान। महाराज एव, दिस महाराज, व्यस्त सुप्तासु, when he sleeps alone, prakritishu, vyasta suptasu prakritishu. Prakriti of Raja is the queen, the ministers, the army general, senapati, amatya, the kosha, sena, all of this is called prakriti of Raja. Where he has left everything and he has slept. Vyasta suptasu prakritishu paryanke shayana, on his bed. Paryanka means bed. Raja is sleeping. Shayana. Swapnan pashyan, and he sees swapna. How? Upasamhrita karanaha, his karanas have been withdrawn. Punaha upagata prakritim, when he wakes up, once again he takes up all the prakriti. Maharajam iva atmanam jagarita iva pashyati. In Jagrat, he is Raja again with all the prakriti. Yatragatam bhunjanam iva cha bhogan. Like somebody who has gone for a yatra. Then or king also could go. Then at that time, Prakriti is there with him, he will do bhoga. I would translate this in this way. When he is sleeping, so all those objects are not available. Then when he wakes up, again everything is available. So like if somebody has his comfort in the house, etc. In yatra, normally you stay somewhere in Dharmashala, somewhere. If you go for Char Dham Yatra, Yatragatam, you don't get anything. Then when you come back, then again Bhogan Bhunjanamika. Yatra. It's not Yatra. No, Yatra Agatam, sorry. Yatra Agatam. न च तस्य इन टीका तेषां जाग्रत दृष्टात् अर्थान्तरम् असिद्धम् इति आशंक्या। तेषां विषयाणां जाग्रत दृष्टात् अर्थान्तरत्वम् असिद्धम् इति आशंक्याः। न च तस्य महाराजस्य पर्यङ्के शयानात् द्वितीयो अन्यः प्रकृति उपेतो विषये पर्यटन अहनि लोके प्रसिद्धो अस्ति यम असौ सुप्तः पश्यति। There is no other Maharaja different from the one who is sleeping in the bed. न च तस्य महाराजस्य पर्यङ्के शयानात् द्वितीयः अन्यः न अस्ति who is prakriti upetah, endowed with all those sena etc. and vishaye paryatan ahani loke, in the day prasiddho asti na asti yam asau suttah pashyate. So it is not there. प्रमाण सामग्री टीका, वन लास्ट लाइन, प्रमाण सामग्री अभावाच्च स्वप्नस्य मिथ्यात्वम इत्याह, नॉट मिथ्या, मिथ्या. प्रमाण सामग्री इज नॉट देयर, देयरफॉर स्वप्न इज मिथ्या. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.